In this era of digitization and civilization, your smartphone can do wonders. It can be used for logo design, video editing, photography, whiteboard animation, graphic design, and lots more. Which is why I want to present a 7-in-1 course where I go in depth to explain all of this. I'll tell you more about graphic design, then I'll practically show you how to create wedding card, flyer, pamphlet, invoice, and ID card, all with your smartphone using Photopea and Canva. Then the same course has a logo design section where I will introduce you to the theory of logo design and practically show you how to create a logo from scratch, ranging from ideation down to execution. Then there is the whiteboard animation section where I'll also show you how to create faceless video and whiteboard animation, which you can use either on your YouTube channel or to work for your client. Then in the video editing section, I will show you how to come up with a project brief and then how to create a storyboard with the help of AI and ChatGPT, and where you can actually source free stock footages that you can use for any project without copyright infringement. This process has been broken down into different lessons, and I'll show you how to do that using CapCut. Then in the photography section, I will discuss more about lighting, exposure, focus, contrast, aperture, and lenses. After understanding all this, then I'll show you how to create product photography, which is a similar concept used in Jumia, Konga, AliExpress, and the likes. We also have a motion graphics and character animation section where I will show you how to transform ideas into video art and how to create characters to communicate a message. All these are packed in this 7-in-1 course, and it is a return of value for your investment. So check around this video and click the link to enroll, and I will see you on the other side.